so yummy. Let's get started. First, you need 3 cups of almond milk. Next, we're going to cut 1 avocado in half. Remove the seed and add to the blender. Now, slice up a cucumber. Add a cucumber. Add the cucumber to the blender. Next, chop up a few slices of celery. Add the salt in the blender. Add 2 spoons of coconut oil. Add 2 scoops of protein powder. Here's number 2. 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. Add some stevia for sweetener. Add 2 cups of spinach. Last but not least, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Make sure to put the lid on or you have a big mess. Ooh, heavy. Now my favorite part. Time to blend it! I like to add a little bit of ice. Good. So healthy too. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you haven't watched these yet, check out these videos.